Take a ride in the 2017 ProMaster City. The Ram ProMaster City is available in multiple trims and comes with backup cameras, hands-free calling, and low floor heights. The wide variety of configurations allows you to find the right fit for you. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, fourth passenger door, steel wheels, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel drive, wheel covers. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.